Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking down prerequisites, nomenclature, functional groups, and basic mechanism ideas, because without them nothing else clicks. First, prioritize curved arrow fluency. It explains how reactions proceed. Once done, split study into concept drills and short problem sets so you form pattern memory. Make sure to mix in previous Neet-style questions. Practice active recall, explain mechanisms aloud, and time yourself to build speed. This immediate, focused start converts passive reading into reliable skill. Now you move into the complex middle, systematic reaction families and problem patterns. Work reaction families one at a time, map mechanisms, typical reagents, and exceptions because pattern recognition reduces surprises. Once confident, apply spaced repetition for reagents and pKa values to cement recall. Make sure to do mixed question sets under exam timing so synthesis skills and speed develop together. Explain each wrong answer aloud. That identifies gaps. Gradually increase difficulty and simulate full Neet sections to build stamina. Finish by consolidating. Integrate summaries, reaction maps, and active recall into short daily reviews because retention beats cramming. Once mastered, run full-timed mocks to refine pacing and identify lingering weaknesses. Make sure to convert every mistake into a one-page lesson you can restudy quickly. If you hit a persistent block, troubleshoot, ask a peer or instructor, isolate the misconception, and reteach it to yourself. This debugging step is the key to turning gaps into strengths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.